Yo, what up? What up? It's your main man, of course. Hey, it's about 9 o'clock, well, about 8:45. It's time to get out there and hit these Memphis streets so we can hit this car scene, see what's popping. You see, I got on my solid apparel gear. You dig what I'm saying? Solid hoodie, solid beanie. Hey, look down in the description, hit that merch link if you wanna, you know what I'm saying, get you a hoodie. It's getting cold out here this winter. You dig what I'm saying? Get you a beanie. We got a lot of other stuff on there, but we about to get out here, hit these streets. She clean. I mean, she real clean. Dig what I'm saying? Hope you guys like the mod that I did to it. I mean, it looks crazy. It looks dope. So we about to get out here, hit these streets. I'll see you when I catch up with the fellas. What's up? What's up? It's your main man, Really Rails, man. Saturday night, we out here at one first meetup spot. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna wait on a couple other people, see what's popping. Then we're gonna, you know, hit the streets. You dig what I'm saying? Got a couple dope rides out here. You know what I'm saying? Got folks lined up. Hellcats, Mustangs, Chargers, Challengers. Definitely a nice lineup out here so far. You dig what I'm saying? Got a GT 350 over here. Got my main man Jerry thinking about a GT 350 now, huh? That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, so, you know what I mean? Y'all see the lineup out here tonight. A lot of folks. Meanest Hellcat in town right there. Meanest one in town. Definitely don't line up beside them. So once things start picking up, y'all know I'm gonna definitely come back, you know what I'm saying? Turn up a little bit, you dig? Or it could be a light night tonight, you never know, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna find out what happens. We'll be back in a couple, 2, 3 of things.
This was heavy. That's the old school Daytona. This is heavy, slow.
I ain't doing nothing, man. I ain't got much.
Ain't got nothing. I ain't gonna lie, I just ordered a 274 cop cam, valve springs, push rods, 3,000 stall, and a 323 rear end.
You really about to be cutting up.
I'm about to get real ignorant. I'm about to get ignorant. I'm gonna wrap my hood, like I said.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna steal your ghost effect though. I ain't gonna have wrap over. I'm just gonna give me another hood and wrap it.
Nah, shit, man. You do what you want to do, bro. You know what I mean?
All right, then I might steal your ghost.
Hey, go for it, man. Yeah, go for it, man. You know what I mean? Shoot, we all cars out here. It ain't like you know, you gonna run. You see, them look like twins right there. You know what I'm saying? So,
really?
Yeah, that's it. That's it. You know what I'm saying? So, appreciate it.
He deep ass stairs too.
Yeah. Yeah. Please think I'm a V6. Come on, come on. I had a doggone take a doggone woo. I had to take a
bypass opened up.
This guy had this. It was like a bronze-looking Hemi 5.7 pulled up beside me. Had a girlfriend in there or whatnot.
Big wheels?
Nah, ain't had big wheels on it. Nah, so. Had to take him to Sunday school real quick, you know what I'm saying? Let him know.
I did that to somebody one day. They pulled up beside me. Come on, let's go. He was like, come on, I'll run you 100. I said, dude, I don't gamble. He was like, come on, run it.
Yeah.
I said, I tell you what, if I win, you show up for church tomorrow.
Yeah. Had to go to church then.
You had to go to church.
Yes, sir. Yes. That's the type of bets we can start making. Yeah. Like, look, you got to come to church.
If I win, you show up at church tomorrow.
Hey, Casey, you out? Yeah, man. Oh, okay. All right, be safe out there, bro.
He said, what if I win? We'll cross that bridge if we cross it.
I ain't worried about it, but yeah.
See, I made that mistake the last time we left Pyramid. Like, I think like 2, 3 nights. I was just cruising going home, and a black Challenger just flies past me. And I'm like, alright. So I catch up, and he's right there. Right when I get to his tail, he starts pulling. And I'm like, shit. So I drop a gear, I try to catch up, I get next to him, I see a 2 badge. I'm like,
backed off of him.
I was in Atlanta one time, had a Mustang pull up beside me. Sound like you could do a little something. So I tried him. I punched that joker. Whoa! That joker jumped in behind me like, woo! Like,
oh, damn. Oh, man, the wrong one.
I was just left the land. I was coming through Augusta.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
He got me. And he was like, what are you doing?
I was like, hey, I thought you wanted something. Yeah.
Yeah, you are.
I was like, I thought you wanted something.
I told him, I said, dude, you pulled up beside me. I thought you was trying to do something. He let me go. But then I got a ticket anyway, like another 100 miles up the road.
Damn.
Regular speeding ticket. But yeah. That light kid is.
Yeah, man. That joint crazy, man.
See, I wanted to get that on mine, but because
I don't need no more attention. My car already bright yellow. 4 miles away.
That's that original Daytona, though, man.
The original.
What number is that one?
That's number 3760 out of 4,000.
Hey, he talk about something. He don't want to do some shit. That motherfucker right there, he got a Daytona.
Yes, sir.
Slow, man.
No.
Whatever, dog.
Heavy.
that tax
Exactly. Whatever, man.
That's their complete.
The original Daytona. Only made 4,000 of them. Only made 4,000.
People should stay. I don't know. I can't.
They trying to make something up.
I can't think that, man.
Them deuces, 22.
Yeah, they coming off. I got the stock ones. Once I do the rear end and the cam and stuff, I'm gonna have to put some stock ones.
Yeah.
I ain't never gonna get no traction.
No, sir.
You ain't gonna never keep no game.
No.
No game.
I got you one. Please stay.
Hey, look, check this out. Hey, check this out, man.
What's up?
He can re-put that. He can put that.
Seen my work.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
He do that little gloss shit on the paint and bring it back.
Ceramic coat?
Paint corrections, ceramic coat.
Ceramic.
Yeah.
Do the ceramic. What's your name?
Brandon Cole. There you go, let me give you a card.
Yeah.
Somebody else hit me about some ceramic because I'm sure thinking about redoing
Bring
it.
your shit back.
I got a buffer. I just don't feel like cutting into the rubber compound.
Up there with the towel and all that.
That needs paint. I got to dig right there.
Yeah, they coming now. About to be full out here in a minute. Got there. Another Mustang. I ain't messing with him. Yeah, that's across town for me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys enjoy yourself.
Hey, shout out to Memphis Finest, man. Appreciate you. Yeah.
Red, you can go Rivergate tonight.
Hey, look. I never told myself at home, so I can't even tell myself.
Go to Rivergate tonight. Man, I thought they closed that down 4 years ago.
Hey, yo, so check this out, yo. So we sit here, you know what I mean? Police pulled up, so we conversating with him. And he asked us, are we going to a spot
That we normally go.
to, you know, line them up, so to speak. Like, we're gonna say, yeah, we going down there to race tonight. No, come on, buddy. You think you can hit a jackpot on us? Not tonight, you won't. Not tonight, you know what I'm saying? So man.
I'm gonna say, man, your car's smoking, never mind.
Oh, okay.
You some burning.
Oh, man.
I was like, your battery done blew up or something.
Hey, way over here. That boy was smoking.
Yes, sir. Hey, y'all know we came up here to deep tonight. How many we got tonight? What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We came out here 8 deep tonight, man. Y'all should. I wish I had my GoPro set up so y'all could have seen how we swung in the joint. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we missing several. So, but man, we out here, man.
I didn't see y'all.
Huh?
Y'all had told me about the spot. I said, man, the spot straight. Then when I came down, y'all like, man, it's about to be over.
Yeah. Oh, there was that another night already?
No, they do that. Every time I came down here, they be acting good.
That light show on there. Yeah. Looking good. Yeah, hey, we talking to the police. You heard what the police asked us? He's like, y'all going out Rivergate tonight?
That what he said?
Yeah.
I thought they shut that down 4 years
Yeah. I'm like, oh, no, we're not going down there. No. We not going down there. Nah. Hey, he thought he was gonna hit the lotto on us. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, we about to go down there now, man. Shit. Whatever.
What is that?
Yeah, Rivergate.
Is that in Cordova?
Yeah, exactly.
Is that a restaurant?
Like, what goes on down there? Do I need to go?
Well, canoeing?
Hey, I'm telling you. Rivergate. Yes, sir. Man, no, man. Nah, I don't mess with no water. No, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I guarantee you this, man. Because, you know, old boy said they were here hunting tonight. You know what I'm saying? So, man, oh, man. But it's chill down here. We're going to try to keep it down around here. You dig what I'm saying? Man, this camera bright as shit. Look at it at night, bro. Damn. That's crazy. The damn technology, man. You know what I'm saying? Technology. Yeah, man. Y'all see what cats have been doing out here. You see these lines and Jerry's cigarette and them lines. That's why they try to, you know, they shut it down for a couple of weekends in a row. So we trying to, you know, we got elsewhere to do this type of stuff at, you know what I'm saying? So, yo, Hellcat over here. Yeah. Nice. Yes, sir. Okay. I hear the cam. I said, I hear the cam. The cam in the car. Yeah. I said, Pro Charger, cam. Whoo. And then, hey, look, and then police said, well, hey, he said, if they start acting up out here tonight, give us a call and we'll run the riffraff off and leave y'all out here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Over the edge, bounced off the hood of a car.
Woo!
Hit another one all the way to the parking lot on the other side by the Bass Pro Shop and hit another car. Blam! Fell over.
That video on YouTube where the tire was rolling down.
Yeah.
And hit that damn Jeep head on.
Yes, sir. It obliterated that joint, bro. Because you got to think how fast some cats is going.
Right.
And it goes faster. Yeah.
And that bitch weighed about 200-300
Woo,
pounds.
boy.
That joke came from off the ramp, came over, hit a car, crushed the whole
Oh, I'm sure.
driver panel, just crushed that.
I'm sure.
I went inside Bass Pro Shop, got security, they came out here, you know, took pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know when I was driving. I was going to West Memphis. There was a truck that was on the way. Man, I don't know what happened. He went on the curves, flipped over.
That happened the other day, right there coming around Chelsea, right where it splits Jackson. Yeah. Semi truck hit that little, tore the whole.
We were there, you know, on Friday.
Was it Friday?
When all that rain was. When
It might have been Thursday.
The ambulance turned over to Friday right there.
Yeah, man. It was. He had whole.
Well, folks, it's not really too thick tonight. Maybe because it's cold. I don't know. You know, a couple cats going elsewhere. You know what I mean? I can't say where at. You know what I'm saying? But some more late night car action going on tonight. You know what I'm saying? So we're probably gonna see my boy flashing back there. My boy Cam strobing on him. You dig? So. As always, you know what I'm saying, make sure y'all stay tuned. Hey, make sure that y'all check out the sponsor, go get the product, use my discount code, TheRellyRails, get 15% off Bosch Premium Auto products. I'm telling you, dope products, you gotta get it. Y'all see what my car look like, you know what I'm saying? So, I'm about to get on up out of here. I'll holler at y'all next video, you dig what I'm saying? And we'll probably do something special next time, you dig what I'm saying? So, about to get about. Damn, messed that all up. I'm about to get up out of here. Holler at y'all later.